Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to take vitamin E. Vitamin E is a crucial fat-soluble antioxidant that plays a significant role in maintaining your overall health. It works by protecting your cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. You can find this important nutrient naturally in a variety of common foods, making it accessible through your diet. Understanding its function is the first step to incorporating it effectively. Getting enough vitamin E from your diet is often achievable. Rich sources include nuts like almonds, seeds such as sunflower seeds, and leafy greens like spinach. For most adults, the recommended daily allowance is 15 milligrams. While dietary intake is generally safe, it's crucial to speak with a doctor before starting any high-dose vitamin E supplements to ensure it's appropriate for your individual needs and health conditions. Beyond its antioxidant properties, vitamin E offers several health benefits. It plays a key role in supporting a robust immune system, helping your body fight off illness. Additionally, it contributes significantly to maintaining healthy skin and good vision. However, it's important to be aware that very high doses of vitamin E can potentially interfere with certain medications, especially blood thinners, so caution is advised. If you choose to supplement, opt for natural forms of vitamin E, such as D-alpha tocopherol, as they are generally better absorbed by the body than synthetic versions. To maximize absorption, always take your vitamin E supplement with a meal that contains some dietary fat. This helps your body process and utilize the fat-soluble vitamin more effectively. Also, for those looking to streamline their healthy eating, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.